we're going to talk a little bit today about potting soil. What we're specifically trying to answer is whether this stuff goes bad over time. You can see here we have some typical potting soil. I bought it at a big box store, and it's lighter than normal soil, not quite as heavy. It's just the way potting soil comes. Over time, this potting soil will dry out, perhaps, but it will not go bad unless you keep it for a long time, like a year or two. Over a 6-month or 8-month period, it ought to be just fine. What you want to do is you want to store it in a dry place, probably store it inside so that when it rains it doesn't get wet. And then to replenish it, you want to add some moisture. And if it's been sitting for a long time, you probably want to add a little bit of plant food and mix it up really well and break it up. So the bottom line is that you can keep this potting soil for quite a while and have it be useful in your garden. As usual, if you like what you see in any of our videos, please be sure to hit that red subscribe button.